Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're switching it up a little bit. It's not going to be a video about fashion, and I hope that you're not too disappointed about that. But today we're going to be talking about some other interests of mine, YouTube and reading. I'm doing a book review of a book that I have recently finished reading. It's called YouTube Secrets, and the authors are Cannell and Benji Travis. This is the second edition, an totally updated edition. And the first one came out in 2018, and this one just came out in 2022. Now, this book is intended for people who have an interest in YouTube, whether you have a channel long-term, you're established, maybe you're just starting a channel, or you've sometimes considered it might be fun to have a YouTube channel. This book is for you. They have so many years of experience, and they have each had started several channels that have been wildly successful. I first became aware of Think Media, which is one of Sean's channels, when I was first searching for how-to information for starting up my own channel. And I continue to watch regularly, and I am learning so much from them. Everything they do is top-notch, quality, lots of value for me. So when I heard that they had done a book, I definitely wanted to read it. I'm telling you, I have learned so much from this, and I am eager to incorporate everything that I'm learning from these guys into my channel. It's obvious as you read this book that these two gentlemen are very passionate about YouTube and about helping others. It's a big priority for them, and I am a beneficiary. I recently participated in a week-long session where we had daily teaching from Sean, and there was a live broadcast every day, and I really enjoyed that and learned a lot from the people that they interviewed as well as their own insights. This is an upbeat book because they are so passionate about YouTube, and because they see only sunshine in the future for YouTube. They see a lot of potential there. And if you are somebody who wants to or is considering how you could monetize a YouTube channel, how you could make a part or full-time income on YouTube, this video is going to be helpful for you. The book is divided into two different parts. In the first part, they take 7 C's. They discuss the 7 C's of starting a YouTube channel and being successful. And the second part is called tactics, all different tricks, techniques that you can do to be more successful on YouTube. I am not going to give away their secrets, as I want you to read the book, but believe me, you will be glad you read it. There are enough personal anecdotes from their years of experience that make what could be a dry topic very interesting and fun, and I especially like the liberal use of quotes throughout the book. One of my favorites was, "Different is better than better." Think about it. I like it. It certainly is encouraging to me. Now, I'm telling you that you should read this book. It is a wonderful book, a very helpful book. I have to give one negative, though. Sorry, Sean and Benji. Throughout the book, it mentions a website, tubesecretsbook.com, that would have extra helpful tips and go more in depth on some of the topics that are covered. And every time I've tried to access it, I have gotten a site cannot be reached message. Now, I am technologically challenged, and so I understand that this could be user error, but I was really disappointed that I was unable to access it. Be sure to check back next week for a new video. And If you receive value from this video, I hope that you'll hit the like button and that you will click on the subscribe button down below the description so that you'll be aware of all the new content that I put out. I look forward to seeing you next week. God bless.